Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Alex Vijay Kriswanto. My cadet number is 21.57.200 and 2. In here, I standing in front of you. I want to tell you about a sort of structure organization in shipboard. This is engine department. One is the master. The master is on top of every shipboard organization is the master. He overall commander, absolute authority on board. And next is chief engineer. On top of engine department is chief engineer. He is overall charge in engine room safety, and then about machinery operation, maintenance, and technical administration. And next is about first engineer. And first engineer, he is also about maintenance, about scheduling, about delegating, directing of a plane inside in the ship. Next is second engineer. The second engineer, he is responsible for the general maintenance of the machinery and equipment. Next is third engineer. Third engineer, he is work the main. Third engineer, he is work about maintenance of purifier, air compressor, sewage treatment, and general maintenance. Next is electrical. In electrical, the electrical is one of the most fatal technical risks. And finally is oiler. Last is oiler. Oiler, his duties include the maintenance of purifier, air compressor, about sewage treatment, and general maintenance. That's all about me. And thank you. Good afternoon.